Hey everyone, welcome. In today's video, we are talking about something that every Shopify developer needs, a good coding environment. This is important for working with Liquid and Shopify themes. Whether you are new to Shopify theme development or want to improve your setup, this video is for you. I will show you how to set up everything you need, from Node.js to VS Code. We will make your coding faster and easier. By the end of this video, you will have a great coding environment ready for Shopify theme development. So let's get started. First, let's quickly go over what you will need. For Shopify theme development, here are the main tools we will be setting up today. Shopify CLI, a tool to sync and preview changes on your Shopify store in real time. Node.js. You will also need a package manager. Here in this video, we will use npm built in with Node.js. So no extra installation needed. Git and a code editor you like. I will install Visual Studio Code, in short VS Code. You can use any one of them. Before starting, make sure you have a Shopify Partners account or a real Shopify store. Shopify recommends Partners account for the purpose of development. If you don't want have yet, head over to shopify.com/partners and sign up for free. From there, you can create a development store where you will be testing your themes and making changes. This development stores comes with all the functionality of a regular store without any limitation on access. I have a separate video on setting up Shopify Partners account and how to create a development store. You can watch that video and proceed from this point. We need to set up Node.js. Shopify CLI is built on Node.js, which means you will need it installed to use the CLI. Don't worry, it's quick and easy. Let's head over to the official Node.js website at the nodejs.org. On the Node.js homepage, you can see Download Node.js LTS button. LTS means long-term support. You can start download by clicking on this button, or you can go to the download page, and from here you can install Node.js by using a package manager, or you can use a pre-built installer. If you want to change the operating system, you can select your operating system. I'm using a Windows machine and it has detected automatically. Now let's download it by clicking on this button. Download is completed. Let's click here and open it. Once you have downloaded it, follow the installation instructions. It's pretty much a standard installation for Mac, Windows, and Linux. Just click through the next button and Node will be installed. I have already installed Node.js on my computer, so I'm not going to install it. After installation, you can check if Node.js was installed correctly by opening your terminal or command prompt. On Windows, I will use command prompt and type node-v, this command, and you can see the version number. If you see a version number appear, it means Node.js is installed successfully. Let's check npm. Write npm-v to check the version of npm, and you can see the version number of npm appears. So npm and Node is installed on our computer. To keep track of changes and collaborate on theme development, you will want to use Git and GitHub. I'm on the homepage of Git. The link of this website is git-scm.com. You can see the link on my browser. If you're not familiar with Git, it's a version control system that allows you to track every change made to your code. Let's install Git on our computer. Click on the download button to start the download. You can select 32-bit installer depending on your operating system or the 64-bit installer. Let's click on this and download has been started. I have already installed Git on my computer, so it's the same standard process. Just follow the installer instructions and Git will be installed on your computer. Let's check whether Git has been installed properly on our computer. Let's type git -- version and press enter. You can see the version of Git on my computer. This means we can now move forward with installing Shopify CLI. Shopify CLI is a command line tool. This tool allows you to sync your local theme files with your Shopify development store and preview changes instantly. I'm on the home page of Shopify CLI. You can see the requirements. We have already installed Node.js and Git. npm was built in with Node. Now let's install the Shopify CLI. Installation. Let's copy it and open our terminal. And let's paste the command and press enter. Shopify CLI has been installed. Let's check the version. Shopify version. Press enter. You can see the version 3.68. So Shopify CLI has been installed successfully. Next up is Visual Studio Code, our code editor. VS Code is great because it's lightweight, fast, and has tons of extension that makes coding easier. Let's click on the download button for starting download. VS Code has been downloaded. Let's click and open it. Accept. Next. Next. Install. Click on the finish button and open it. Once you have installed VS Code, let's get it ready for Shopify development. Go to the extensions tab and let's type Shopify Liquid. Select this one, Shopify Liquid, developed by Shopify. Let's install it. This extension will give you Liquid syntax highlighting and some handy auto-completions. Now we are going to set up Emmet. By default, Emmet is enabled for HTML, but we want it to work for Liquid files as well. Open your VS Code settings by pressing Ctrl, on your keyboard or Command, on Mac and search for Emmet. Emmet include languages. Here we need to add Liquid. Let's type Liquid as an key and pass HTML as a value, and let's click on OK. Now Emmet will work perfectly inside your Liquid files, helping you write code faster. I have opened one of my directory to show you how Emmet helps us while coding. Let's type div with a class name of container, and then let's give a UL, and then let's have for li. It's a simple magic. Press enter and done. And that's it. You have now set up a powerful coding environment for Shopify theme development, complete with VS Code, Emmet for Shopify Liquid, and version control with Git. With this setup, you will be able to work more efficiently and write better code for your Shopify themes. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.